Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap your sides according to your situation. So let's see what we have for Aquarians. We have the Hangman on your side. Emperor on your person side. Both are major arcanas. Okay, the most likely outcome. The King of Swords. Okay, so the situation is stuck, nothing is moving forward. That's on your side, and you've totally surrendered to the situation, perhaps because you really don't know what to do. Here on your person's side is the Emperor. This person is perhaps very, very controlling. They are not opening up. Perhaps they are not opening up emotionally, not letting you know, or uh, whatever you try, they just don't let things move forward, and that is why the relationship is hanging. And here, as a mutual outcome with the King of Swords, so definitely it's very, very, it's being not talking to each other, sort of, either, or just minimal communication, total cut off, detachment, sort of. Maybe even you actually cut off this relationship. Maybe it's actually on hold, or actually there's some sort of a breakup over here. Let's see. I'll be Before I go into the details, let's see what with the clarifiers what's there behind the scenes. Okay, let's see. Why is this Hangman here for? Okay, so we have the Moon, the Eight of Wands, and the High Priestess. Okay, let's see what's there on your person's side. We have the Sun. Okay, the Death and Rebirth, and the Queen of Pentacles. Let's see, why is this King of Swords here for the mutual outcome. We have the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Emperor again. Let's see one more, the Knight of Cups, the Empress. I just felt like taking more cards, and the Six of Cups. Okay, so the situation is actually stuck because you really don't know what's going on, and I think you really don't know what's going on because perhaps this person is not opening up. That's what I said, but still there are certain things which are not very clear to you. And with the Eight of Wands, what I feel here is that this is your urge to communicate. You really want to communicate, but you are not able to do so. You want to say a lot. Maybe this is a communication going on in your head, because you are just thinking and thinking and thinking. With the Hanged Man, though they are not able to do anything, perhaps you are just thinking and trying to understand. So this is the conversation which is going on in your head, which you perhaps want to say to them, but I don't see that you are actually communicating with them. Okay, so with the Moon, there is a lot of uncertainty which is going on, and the High Priestess, you are trying to be in touch with your intuition, trying to understand the situation. And with the High Priestess also, we have the half moon here and the full moon here. So you are trying to understand the situation, because I don't think that you people are talking actually. So this is a lot of communication which is going on in your head, lot of thoughts as to this can be the reason, what's going on, what are they doing. So because a relationship is stuck, so obviously there are n number of things which are going on in your head. And here also what I feel is there are n number of things which are going on in your head, and you are trying to align these things. Okay, these thoughts you are trying to align them, and you are just see all the scattered beats over here, dot dot dots white, and here you're trying to align them. So you're just trying to make a logical sequence of whatever has happened. For whatever reason this relationship is stuck and it's on hold, for what, or maybe there is a breakup, whatever it is, you're just trying to make some sense of this situation as to, because there are many things which are not clear to you, so you really don't know the reason of this breakup to the fullest. You don't know exactly what has happened, but there are certain things or certain details which are missing, which you really don't know, and you are just in your head trying to align the, trying to sort of think back and trying to make sense of the sequence of events, or whatever information you have, whatever time you've gone through or spent with each other, or whatever has happened in your life, in both of your lives in this relationship. So both of you are trying to make sense and trying to align those events, because here there is a lot of scattered thought which is going on, and you're just being trying to sort of calm yourself down. And though you are feeling very low over here with the moon card, you are feeling very low, but you are trying to align yourself and trying to sort of make sense of the situation as to what actually happened, and it's all in your head. Okay, you're just thinking about it. This is, but I don't see you communicating to them as for now. And on your person side, we have the Sun, the Death and the Rebirth, and the Queen of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that I think it is a transition. It is a transition which is going on for some reason in their life. There's something going on in their life. But with the Sun, I think that maybe they need some time for some reason. With the Queen of Pentacles, maybe they need some time to work on themselves, or to think about it. But with the Sun card, I think they will come up, they will talk to you, because it is the happy card. They see you as the person who gives them a lot of happiness, so they see you as their happiness basically. So I don't see there is any problem with this. So there are emotions, as they see you as their source of happiness, so obviously this is the positive thing. But over here with the Death and the Rebirth and the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel here is that this person needs some time. For some reason they want to have that time, perhaps to take a decision, or there is something going on, or they need to work on themselves, something they need to sort of sort something on their end before they come up. That's what I am getting. So there is some sort of a transition which is going on in their lives. That is why they are not opening up, or not, or this breakup is there. Maybe they are dealing with something else, or if something has happened between both of you, then give them that time to be at peace and solve it. So maybe they need that time. Okay, but with the Sun card, I think things will be okay. Now let's come on to the most likely outcome. The King of Swords, I said it can be maybe you're not talking, or minimal communication, or maybe an actual breakup also. But over here with the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles and the Emperor, see, what I feel here is, again and again, this person, there is a new beginning definitely, but I think this person needs some time. They are thinking, they are contemplating. Maybe both of you are contemplating on it. You for some other reason and they for some other reason, or maybe something has happened, so they are also trying to sort it out in their head, but they need some time. The 100% they need some time to rejuvenate. They want some me time. And once they are able to deal with whatever it is, or you are able to deal with it, with the Emperor, what I feel here is things will be back in control. Followed, because here with the followed by the Emperor is the Knight of Cups, the Empress and the Six of Cups. So we have the Emperor and the Empress with the Knight of Cups. It came off like this, no? So definitely there are emotions with the Knight of Cups. There is a new beginning with the Empress, and with the Emperor and the Empress, there is definitely a new beginning, and with the Six of Cups there is reconciliation. So definitely a reconciliation. You people will get back together. It's just a matter of time. I think you just need to wait. You just need to wait for this new beginning. Maybe both with the Empress over here and the Emperor, definitely things will be under control. Love is there. I think it's just a matter of time. You just need to give them the time. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. express love through gifts. Number 19 or number 10 may be of some significance for you. So, obviously, a small token of love can convey great appreciation. So, it's just about the fact that you just need to express love, and it will be expressed in due course of time. Maybe you need to spend some quality time together, maybe you need to talk it out. It can be this express your love through gift, not necessarily gifts, it can be just a communication. But I think with the Sun card and the other cards which have come out, I think things will be okay. Just give it time, just give it time. Both of you need some time to sort things out. If something has happened between both of you, then just give it time to settle it down, okay, and it will be okay. So that's all I have for you, Aquarians, and hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.